Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we gonna see how to make $500 over and over again, guys. So stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, like I said, you can make $500 over and over again, guys. It's directly credited to your PayPal account or bank account every month, guys, or every day, guys. I show the step-by-step tutorial, guys. So watch till end and you can find how to make $500 over and over again, guys. Without any further ado, guys, let's dive into this video, guys. And like I said, guys, you can make money with Google Maps, guys. You can make $500 with Google Maps, guys. This is the website, guys, we're gonna use to make some $500 over and over again, guys. The Google, this is a search engine, guys. You probably know everybody using Google, guys. We can use also Google to make some $500, guys. And I show you guys how you can make money, guys. First of all, you need to search something, guys, like some business, guys, like some dentist, doctor, or real estate agent or restaurant, something like that, guys. Then only you can make $500 over and over again, guys. I show how you can make some good amount of money, guys. For the sake of video, I just search like a London restaurant, guys. You can do whatever business you want to do, guys. For the sake of video, I just London restaurants, guys. You can do the real estate agent in Las Vegas, in Los Angeles, New York, in London, or dentist or doctor or jewelry shop, whatever it may be. You can do whatever you want to do, guys. And this is the perfect time you can make this opportunity to blow up your income stream, guys, because it's some epidemic going around the world, guys. So every business has closed down and every business thinking how to grow the business after the end of the epidemic, guys. So every business need to some service, guys, and we provide the service and we get paid, guys. The simple strategy, we can use Google Map to get some good amount of money, guys. So watch till end, guys. I show the step-by-step tutorial. So if you skip this video, you miss some valuable information, guys. So watch till end. I show you how it's gonna work and how you can make some good amount of money, guys. And you can type, like I said, whatever business you want to do. For the sake of video, I just type London restaurants, guys, and come out to this, guys, and just click more place, guys. I show how you can pick up a right of business and you can make some good amount of money, guys. I should show you, guys. You can pick up whatever business you want to do, guys, or whatever restaurant you want to do, guys. This is the restaurant. All restaurants are closed, guys, like I said, guys, because some epidemic are going around this world, guys. This is the restaurant. You can, our business, you can make some good amount of money, guys. Like we gonna take some any one of the restaurants, guys, like this Amurda launch, guys. You can contact him. I show you how you can contact him and how you can make money, guys. It's closed and there is a number for this restaurant, and this is a vegan restaurant. Only vegan can turns. I don't need to explain you guys what is a vegan restaurant. And this is address London. It's in London, guys, so everybody knows where is London. And this is there is a website, guys. Click that website, guys. So automatically take you to this website, guys. This website looks familiar, guys. It's look professional, it's look gorgeous, like professional website, guys. But we gonna check there is any problem. We can fix the problem and get paid, guys. You can do it over and over again because there is lots of business available in the world, guys, like a real estates, dentists, whatever it may be, guys, or lots of restaurants also available. You can do it this method over and over again and recurring income to your PayPal account or business or bank account, guys. First you need to open new tab, guys. Just type Facebook Pixel Helper, guys. Just to search this one, guys. So automatically take you to this Chrome extension browser, guys, and this is the Chrome extension you need to install, guys. This is helps to find if there are any pages lack of pixel, guys. Facebook pixel means it's the piece of code, guys. Piece of code. It's exists on website to track every customer visit their website, guys. A simple piece of code you can install easily, guys. If you don't, guys, I show you how you can install, guys. It's a easy simple step, guys. First you need to install this, guys. I already installed. Just to click install and you can easily install your account, guys. Just to go to this another tab, guys, and I show how you can install, guys. Just type business.facebook.com, guys. It's automatically take you to this page, guys. sorry guys, just type business.facebook.com guys. So automatically take you to this another page guys. I show how it's work guys. Facebook business. Just skip this ad guys and click this link guys. This is the Facebook business manager account guys. Easily you can create Facebook business manager just by your Facebook account guys. It's a simple method guys, and you can easily click this one guys. And this is the billing, payment, audience, business settings guys. You can easily install a Facebook pixel, or you can search a YouTube video guys. There is tons of video. You can see how to install a Facebook pixel on a website guys. And this is a crucial part guys. And come out to this website guys. Like I said, Amurtha launch the vegan restaurant, and install your pixel helper guys. And this is the pixel helper guys. Just click guys. It's automatically take you to this guys. No pixel found guys. That means this company didn't install any pixel on their website guys. That means you can get paid easily $500 over and over again guys, because this company don't know how to install, or there is no time for the company guys. The company leave and the company lost lots of customer, precious customer, for this precious customer to this company guys. You can easily drive traffic to this company. Retargeting the Facebook ad is a simple easily retargeting guys. Just a simple retargeting method. You can do it and make some good amount of money guys. This is the easy step guys. Just install, no pixel found guys, and easily you can contact them guys. Just go to the bottom of that page guys. There is also contact information guys. This is the contact information guys. Just to copy this and put a new email. Just to type whatever maybe you want to guys. Like I found your website, it's look amazing, but you didn't upload a Facebook pixel on your website. Then you can easily waste your tons of precious customer. So I like to install your Facebook pixel to your website. So you need something like that guys. I don't recommend to you just to copy and paste guys. Just to do whatever you want to do guys, but highly recommended just to take a phone and selfie video guys. Then they can easily understand you. There is no any bot, there is not any scam, because there is a real people in there. Okay guys, just take a selfie and easily get paid guys. Like it's make money online by using Google payment guys. It's easy. There is also that Instagram account guys. Just to go to this Instagram account guys. There is also Instagram account guys. Did you see guys? There are followers also pretty good guys, and their post also good guys. You see guys, the engagement also good. You can easily contact them and you can make even $500 over and over again guys. This is a simple strategy you can make using Google Maps guys. You can do it whatever you want to do guys. Like there is tons of restaurant guys. There is tons of restaurant in London guys, and there is lots of city in the UK guys, and there is lots of country in the world guys. You can do it lots of, and you can make some good amount of money guys. You can make 100k a year or even more than guys. Just I show you guys the Western Laundry, and there's check guys. There is any pixel or install or not guys. Every business didn't know what is a Facebook pixel guys. Some business know. This website or this company didn't also install any pixel guys. You can contact all those company guys. It's a simple guys. This website is look like a terrible, but this restaurant's foods are delicious. I think maybe, I don't know guys. It's a simple thing guys. You can make money with this help of Google guys. Like I said guys, you can make some good amount of money with the help of Google Maps. You can do whatever you want to do, wherever you want to do guys. If you enjoy this video guys, hit the subscribe button and share with your friend. Thanks for watching guys. Make money online. Peace.